Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of k. This is very nice math algebra problem. So if we have k plus 2 is equals to k and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards our first method. And in the first method, so here first I can explain the reason why I can solve this problem for two methods. So the solution of this problem from first method, the reason is that if in your exam the question statement is that you need to find the value of k. If in your in your exam question statement is that determine the roots of this equation or determine the values of k, so in that case you need to find you need to solve this problem from first method. And if in your exam you just determine the solution of this problem, so then you directly move towards the second method. But both of these two methods are valid to solve any type of questions. Okay, and now here we move towards the solution of this problem, and here in this method we first need to take squaring on both of the sides, so that when we apply squaring on both of the sides it will be written as k plus 2 whole square is equals to k square. And further in the next step, here you see that here we need to use the nice algebraic formula into the left hand side. And you know about that, if we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So here, according to this formula, we can expand the left hand side of the above equation as so it will becomes k square plus 2 times of k into 2 plus 2 square equals to k square. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, here we need to move this k square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as this is k square plus this is 2 times 2 becomes 4k, and plus this 2 square and 2 square becomes 4. This is a positive k square. When we move it into the left hand side it will become the negative k square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we need more simplifications, and you see here this is minus k square and this is plus k square are cancelled out by each other. And after cancellation of these terms we get the remaining values are, from left hand side we get 4k plus 4 is equals to 0. And now you already know about that we solve this problem for the values of k. So for this we move all the other terms to the right hand side. So here you see that this is positive 4. So we move this 4 to the right hand side and it will becomes a negative 4. And here, because our target is to find the value of k, so that's why we need to divide both of the sides by 4 in order to remove this 4. Okay, so here when we divide by 4 it will be written as 4k is divided by 4 equals to minus 4 is divided by plus 4. And now here further in the next step you see here this 4 is cancelled out by this 4, and we get the remaining values are k is equals to this 4 and this 4 are also cancelled out by each other, and we get minus 1. So this is the value of k. Okay, so this is the value of k which we get here in this method. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of k be the solution or extraneous root. So for verification of the roots we need to copy down given question statement. Here the given question statement is k plus 2 is equals to k. This is the our given question statement. And now here we substitute the above value of k into the left hand side of this equation. So when you put it here it will becomes minus 1 plus 2 is equals to minus 1. And now you see here minus 1 plus 2 becomes here plus 1 is equals to minus 1. Here you clearly see that plus 1 is equals to minus 1. These two are not possible. So in other words, we just say that it is not possible case. The positive 1 is equals to negative 1. Okay, so here this is not possible case. It means that or in other words, we say that both of the sides are not equal. So it means that the value of k equals to -1 is not satisfied our given question statement. So that we called that k is equals to -1 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, it is the extraneous root. So here you see that we cannot get any value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So we say that this question has no solution. Okay, because we cannot get any value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So this is the final conclusion about the solution set of this problem from first method. And now here we again solve this problem for second method. And in second method we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is k plus 2 is equals to k. So our second method be the very quickest method, and here we quickly get the values of k. So here we move this plus k to the right hand side, and it will be written as this is 2 is equals to, and this is k, and this positive k becomes negative k, and these two are cancelled out by each other, and here we get 2 is equals to 0. So 2 equals to 0 is also not possible case. Okay, it is not possible that 2 equals to 0. So these two are not equal. So it means that here we cannot get any value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So here we finally conclude about that this question has no solution. Okay, this is our final conclusion of this question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.